Steven wants to sell his RV. Easy. Pop an ad on one of those online sites and Steven's problem is solved, right? Okay, so let's say someone responds to his ad, wants to see it. Hot dog, a live one. Off he goes to the storage lot, shovel a path to the door, crank up the furnace. Waiting. Now it's getting dark out. Is this guy ever going to show up? Steven sits out there by himself, waiting for a stranger. This story's getting creepy. So Steven had a better idea and called Rick Showers at No Bull RV. Rick handles the selling part. No more shoveling, right, Rick?
True that, Bob.
And the customers come to him, come from miles away to see all the quality used RVs just like Steven's, right, Rick?
Darn tootin', Bob.
Steven gets a fair price for his RV. New owners get exactly what they want. No one has to go to the Frosty storage lot to meet a stranger. And Rick gets 2 new happy customers.
And that's No Bull.
NoBullRV.ca